class 6. How are you? Now we will continue our chapter Internet Online Surfing. In today I will explain you the blog and podcasting. Blog is like a diary writing and podcasting to make our audio albums on the online. Let's start. Blog. A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, consisting of discrete, often informal diary style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order, so that the most recent post appears first at the top of the web page. Blog is an abbreviation of weblog, that is a platform to share information on the web page. It is like a diary writing. It is a platform used to communicate your thoughts, news and advice to the people online. Now next is blogging. Blogging refers to writing, photography and other media that's self-published online. Blogging starts as an opportunity for individuals to write diary style entries, but it has since been incorporated into websites for many businesses. The hallmark of blogging include frequent updates, informal language and opportunities for readers to engage and start a conversation. Suppose the principal of your school wants to inform students about something. Then it becomes a difficult task to announce it by moving from one class to other. In such circumstances, he types a notice and puts it up on the notice board. Now, all the students can go through the notice from the notice board. In this way, the information can be shared among the students within a minimum move. Similarly, information can be shared to different people by the internet by using a process known as blog. So, we can say a blog can be defined as a journal or a diary that is maintained online. It is a platform that allows you to share your thoughts among people worldwide. Basically, a blog is your own website that you can keep updating on a regular basis. Now, terms related to blog writing. First is blog. Blog is the platform used to communicate your thoughts, news and advice to the people online. Second is blogger. Blogger is a person who writes and publishes information on a blog. Blogging, it is an act of writing. A blog is known as blogging. Now, purpose of using a blog. Why we are using blog? What is the purpose of these? Blogging can be used for the following purposes. First is share your messages. Blogging is a great medium wherein you can share your message or knowledge with the world. Second, blogging as a business. You need to publish high quality relevant content related to your business. This is also using by blogging. Blogging to grow your business and brand. Companies are also leveraging blogging and content marketing to drive consistent high quality leads to their businesses. Build a portfolio. If you are freelance writer, programmer, designer or do any online work, you need to consider having a portfolio website for showcasing your work. Personal branding. It is becoming crucial in areas like expert training and also for marketing agencies. Teaching tool. It can also be used as a teaching tool. Applications of blogging. Publishing. Authors can blog about their books to generate interest among potential buyers. Travel blogs help people know about the place to visit, tourist attractions and other things to do. Beauty Blogs related to beauty, hair, makeup, etc. also help build relations with potential customers and hence boost sales. Entertainment. Blogs are also written for amusement and entertainment of the audience. Now next is podcasting. A podcast is an episodic series of spoken word digital audio files that a user can download to a personal device for easy listening. Streaming applications and podcasting services provide a convenient and integrated way to manage a personal consumption queue across many podcast sources and playback devices. So, we can say that podcasting is an act of creating and uploading audio files on a website. The audio files can even be stored in a digital device called a iPod. The extension of this type of device, this type of audio files is MP3 or MP4. These files are further uploaded on a website through a service provider. Now, features of podcasting. First is consistency. Being consistent with your podcast is vital just so your listeners can keep up with your timing. If your podcast is daily, weekly or monthly, stick it to and don't skip a day or week or month. Good equipment. Endeavor to get quality sound equipment for the production of your work and ensure that your audio is clear so that your listeners don't get worked up with your podcast. No one wants to listen to a podcast that sounds like crap or sounds creepy. Engage the audience. Build your audience, engage with them and give them a space to engage with each other. As a podcast host, you need to speak to your audience. Amazing guest. Put in the effort to seek for the right guest for your podcast because sometimes a guest can either break or make your episode. If you have a guest that has not much experience or even unexperienced, do your best to put them through before letting your work go live. Knowledgeable host. As a host, how much of the topic do you know? Do you want to discuss a topic because it is trending and then you have little or no knowledge about it? Great preparations. Before the interview, make a research about your guest, familiarize yourself with their work, find out their biography. Fantastic episode title. The first impression matters a lot when it comes to podcast title. A title should be able to draw attention and captivate the minds of people to listen to your podcast. There are 5 key benefits regarding the use of video postcard for students. Students can control the pace of their own studies, increase in motivation, they will be motivated by the video podcast, improvement in study habits, yes, positive impact on testing skills, does not reduce class attendance. They will not reduce class attendance because they want to take interest in that type of podcast. Now, so some more podcasts help business to increase their web traffic. Podcast can help teachers also. It can be used as lectures in music classes also. A person responsible for creating, uploading and distributing audio files is known as podcaster. Now we will do some question related on internet chapters. Some MCQ question. First question, free of cost repair of software bug available at internet is called patch. That is known as patch. The internet was originally a project of which agency? It is related with ARPA agency. Which of the following is a correct format of email address? The name, then @ that is website, then info. Info related to the sites. HTML is used to create web page. It is not used to create machine language, high level programming. It is used to create a web page. Internet Explorer falls under. It is a browser. Internet Explorer is a browser. It is not a operating system. It is not a compiler. It is not a IP address. It is a browser only. What is the full form of www in web address? World Wide Web. Yes, this is the correct answer. World Wide, word no. This is wrong. World Wide Wood, this is also wrong. None of these, this is also wrong. Only World Wide Web is the correct answer. Now full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. This is the right answer. Hypertext Manipulation Language, this is wrong. Hypertext Managing Links, this is also wrong. Hypertext Manipulating Links, this is also wrong. Moving from one website to another is called, this is known as browsing, not downloading. In downloading, we will download any software. Uploading, we will upload our programs. Attachment, we will find the attachment from others. Only browsing is all the correct answer. A computer on internet are identified by email address? No. Street address? No. Only IP address. None of these. Only IP address. A computer on internet are identified only IP address. Internet's initial development was supported by ARPANET, not Microsoft, not IBM. It is ARPANET. World Wide Web was proposed by Tim Berners-Lee, not Bill Gates, not Bill Rogers, none of these. Only Tim Berners-Lee. What are the uses of the internet? Communication we will do. Information retrieval, yes. Presentation of information, yes, we will do. All of the above. URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator. Only A is correct. Now you will do these MCQ question in your computer copy also, computer notebook also. You will read that chapter from your book also. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail and you will complete your work on time. Thank you.